Hey, everybody, Dr. Bacon from East Cobb Spine Sport Chiropractic. I'm hanging out with
Karen Sierra.
Now, let me ask you. You just were doing some nutrition. We've seen nutrition. We've obviously worked with this for a long time. You were talking about your...
18-month-old.
Yep. And what was going on when you came in?
He was incredibly congested, like green mucus, just a hard time breathing overall, and it was affecting his energy as well. But, and a fever that lasted like 5 days. So we thought it was like the teeth coming in or something.
Yeah, this is something that they would normally tell you. Most MDs are like, don't worry about their teething. And they're just, it's just taking some of the energy. And let me ask you, did you do anything for that before you came in?
I mean, we tried a few things, but nothing helped.
Yeah, and so then we threw how many products at you?
Only 3.
3 products. IAG for moms out there that are learning about this. It's a biotics product. IAG is one of them. We gave you lactans. And what was the other one?
Coral.
And some coral, so some minerals. And what happened?
So in less than 24 hours, he went from being super mucusy, congested, green, to clear, runny mucus, to no mucus in under 24 hours.
Yeah, this is what's impressive. We give the body what it's lacking or deficient in, so we make sufficiencies, so it helps work on the toxicity, so the body then what? Gets better faster. This is what I love about what we do, and it was simple. And you were saying the other day that it doesn't taste what?
It doesn't taste bad. I had it, and it
Yeah.
was yummy.
And why did you have it?
Because I, too, started having some kind of symptoms, and I was like, let me try this out, and sure enough.
Yeah, and all you parents out there, what are you guys thinking? You're like, oh my gosh, you're sick because all your kids are sick, right? Well, if you knew how to support your body, you wouldn't get sick like your kids, or they, you think of them like they're little carrying around bad germs and all that stuff, right? Bad bacteria. Well, if you feed them good, then you can take care of you too. Listen, Karen, thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
We call this a bacon bit.
Yes.
Yep. So we appreciate you guys paying attention. We'll see you guys on the next one.